Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Veo. First, you'll learn how to access the platform and begin a new project. We'll cover the initial setup steps, ensuring you're ready to generate your first video. Understanding the interface is key, so we'll walk through the main sections. This guide will help you quickly become familiar with its core functionalities, making video creation straightforward and enjoyable. Let's get started on your creative journey. To create compelling videos, your prompt is crucial. Think of it as telling a story to Gemini Veo. Be specific about what you want to see, including characters, their actions, and the environment. For example, instead of a dog running, try a golden retriever puppy joyfully chasing a red ball through a sunlit park. Adding details about lighting or camera movement can also significantly enhance your results. The more precise your input, the better the output. Gemini Veo offers several customization options to fine-tune your video. You can easily set the desired duration, choose an aspect ratio like 16:9 for widescreen, and select a resolution for clarity. Experiment with various artistic styles, from realistic to animated, to match your vision. You can also control the intensity of motion within the scene and specify camera movements, such as a slow pan or a quick zoom. These settings give you creative control. Once your prompt and settings are ready, simply click Generate. Gemini Veo will then process your request and produce your video. Take time to review the output carefully. If it's not quite what you envisioned, don't worry. You can easily go back and adjust your prompt or settings, then regenerate. This iterative process helps you achieve the perfect result. Finally, when you're satisfied, you can save your video and share your amazing creation with others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.